Good morning, student. Today we're gonna learn how to do estimation, which means estimating sums. If I want to add two numbers, how can I estimate? And there is a big difference between calculate, if the teacher asks me to calculate, or estimate. Calculate, that means the teacher asks me to get the exact number, the exact solution, the exact answer. But the estimate, it's not exactly the answer. It could be some estimation, so not the exact number. Okay, so this is the difference between calculate and estimate. So here in this lesson, when you need to, or you don't need the exact number, you estimate. So if the teacher tell me Bella has 58 silver stars and 21 gold star, about how many stars does Bella have? So I need to add the 58 with the 21, but the teacher is saying estimate and not calculate. So that means I don't need to take 58 exactly plus 21 exactly to see the numbers. I can do an estimation. How to do that? The first strategy or the first method saying take each number to the closest 10. And this is, you can see it on the number line with an easy way. If I need 58, it's greater than 50 and it's smaller than 60. So if I put in the number line here 50 and here 60, and I'm asking myself, the 58, it's closer to 50 or closer to 60? Actually, in the middle there is 55. So the 58 is closer to 60, very close to 60. So I can say I'm gonna estimate around the 58 to 60. Another thing, the 21, I can create a number line. Oops, I can create a number line, and I can say the 21, it's between two numbers. 21 is greater than 20 and it's less than 30. So if I put here 20 and here 30, I'm gonna ask myself, where is the 21? Actually, in the middle there is 25. So the 21 is closer to 20. So when I estimate or I round the 21, I round it to 20. So now I have two easy number, very easy number, the 60 and the 20. These two numbers are so easy, 60 and 20. So I can say that the estimation of 58 and 21 could be like 60 plus 20, and we know 60 plus 20 equal 80. So this is the estimation. This is not the exact number. Let's compare this estimation from the exact number. If the teacher tell me calculate, what is the exact number? I'm going to say 8 plus 1 equal 9. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Wow, my estimation is very close to 79. And this is how we can do it, by rounding the two number to the closest 10. So 58 becomes 60, the 21 becomes 20. I add 60 and 20 because they are easy number, I get the estimation. There is another method called take one number to the closest 10. Instead of the two number, you can take one only. So the 58, I can take it to 60, and I leave the 21 by itself. It's still easy. It's like 81. And 81 is very close to the reality, to 79. So you have the two methods, or you round the 58 and the 21 to the closest number, or you round only one number and you leave the other one. This is the way how it works. So let's take an example, quick example, and see how we can find, for example, the teacher is asking this question, example, estimate the sum of, let's say, 47 and 22. So, since the teacher told me estimate, I don't need really to calculate the exact numbers. This is estimate. So I'm going to say like that. In my head, if I have the number line, I'm going to say the 47 is greater than 40 and less than 50. But I'm not sure, is it close to 40 or close to 50? I'm not sure. I know that in the middle there is 45, so 47 it's after. So that means 47 is close to 50. That means I can take 47, I round it as 50. Perfect. What about the 22? I do the same thing. Number line, and I say that 22 is greater than 20 and less than 30. But I'm not sure, is it closer to 20 or 30? I'm not sure. But I know in the middle it's 25. So that means the 22 is before. So the 22 is closer to 20. So now I can round the 22 to 20. And now I take the 50, I add it to 20. Very easy numbers. It's 70. And this is going to be my estimation. Let's see if I add exactly. Is it close to or far? 47 plus 22. If I take the exact calculation, 7 plus 2 equal 9. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Wow, very close to my estimation. That means the estimation was correct. I hope you understood the lesson. Let's practice some example now. Thank you for listening.